Hey everyone. If you're watching this, you're probably ready to make 2025 the most incredible year of your life. The good news? You don't have to wait until January 1st to start. In fact, the key to success next year is to start right now. Let's dive into a step-by-step guide to making 2025 your best year yet. Before you can move forward, you need to look back. What worked well for you in 2024? What didn't? Take some time to reflect on your achievements, mistakes, and lessons learned. Grab a journal and write down your biggest wins and areas where you want to improve. Self-awareness is the foundation of growth. Success doesn't happen by accident, it happens by design. Think about what you want to accomplish in 2025. Whether it's financial freedom, fitness goals, stronger relationships, or career advancements, write them down. But don't just set vague goals like "I want to be healthier." Instead, make them specific and measurable, such as "I will exercise for 30 minutes 5 times a week." Your mindset determines your success. If you believe you can achieve something, you're already halfway there. Practice positive affirmations, visualize your goals, and surround yourself with people who inspire and motivate you. Remember, success is 80% mindset and 20% strategy. Dreams without action are just wishes. Break your big goals into smaller, actionable steps. Want to start a business? Research your industry, create a plan, and set deadlines for each step. If your goal is to improve your health, schedule workouts and meal prep sessions into your calendar. Consistency is the secret to success. Your daily habits shape your future. Start adopting small habits now that align with your goals. Want to be more productive? Begin waking up 30 minutes earlier. Want to be financially stable? Start saving a small percentage of your income today. The small actions you take daily will add up to big results over time. The best investment you can make is in yourself. Read books, take courses, attend workshops, or whatever helps you grow. The more you learn, the more you earn. Surround yourself with mentors and like-minded people who push you to be your best self. The biggest mistake people make is waiting for the perfect time. There is no perfect time, only now. Start working on your goals today. Even if it's just a small step, action creates momentum. So, are you ready to make 2025 the best year of your life? It all starts today. Drop a comment below with one goal you're setting for yourself. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss more life-changing content. Let's make 2025 a year to remember.